YouTube channel. Liz, say something. Okay, so he actually decided he doesn't want to come in here, but yeah, so, I don't know. But what's really supposed to happen is I'm supposed to show you a studio tour, which, it's just a box. Yeah, but anyways, let's get started. So right here I have my little well. I messed up on it. Yeah, it's supposed to be Galaxy, but it turned out to be not something else. And here I have my crafting stuff. And I'm sorry for the background noise, it's SpongeBob and, but yeah. Anyways, right here is my LPS, where they're at. And there's some right here, which is my brothers and Pixie, and I also go with them. So I'm just gonna put this up. Okay. So here is my LPS. And here I have, I don't know what I have. I don't even know. Oh. From here I can see a sheep, and I think that's a head and some cow and pig. Where is that? Is that a pig? Yeah, that's a pig. And that is a head. That is a head. So these are my Minecraft stuff, and a wife. And the next part, this is my favorite part from my studio. And this is also one of mine. It's because I have some outside stuff. Excuse me. Yeah. But on this, moving on to this. Here I have paper, like a dog, and my furniture, not all of it. All of it from here. All of that. My pony. And here my pony. And my furniture. And my furniture. And I almost put this out. They're my big ponies. I got them. So under it is my wallpaper. Well, just a little bit now. I barely have it. Right here I have my Funko chairs and my world thing, whatever. But yeah. And there's that guy right there. Not sure. And then I have some more templates, and some sticks, and more templates in the background.